Hey, what's up you guys? This video will teach you how to download Eclipse and Java on your computer. This is the first step in getting started on your Java development journey. Eclipse is an IDE or an integrated development environment used in computer programming. It will be our workspace for this Java course. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser and copy the link in the description of the video. This is the Java Oracle download page where we will download Java on our system. Click on the JDK download link and it should take you to this page. When you scroll down, you will see all the Java packages installer for different operating systems. Choose an installer that suits you the best. I'm going to download the Mac OS installer DMG file. Accept the terms and conditions and wait for the package to download. After it's done downloading, open the DMG file and it will verify the download. Double click on the package and it will open the installer. Click continue and install. Type in your password and click install software. After the installation is completed, move the DMG to trash on your Mac and open the terminal or command prompt on Microsoft and type in java -version. If you see this screen, you have successfully installed your package and we're ready to move on to the next step. Now we're going to download Eclipse. On Google, type in Eclipse and click on the download link and it should take you to the download page. Click on the download button and download Eclipse installer. After Eclipse has been downloaded, open the installer. Wait for Mac to verify and click on the installer. If Mac gives you this pop-up, just click open again. The Eclipse installer will start. Click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. The rest are similar but contain advanced features, which you can always opt to download later on. Select the Java version that we have installed and choose the installation folder. I'm just going to leave at the default settings and then click install. Accept the terms and conditions and let it install. After clicking launch, you should see this workspace screen pop up. This is the folder where you will be saving all your Java projects, so make sure you know where it is located. I will save mine in the Documents folder and create a new Eclipse folder for my new Java projects. Now click Open and launch Eclipse. After Eclipse launches, you will see this welcome page. I will quickly take you through how to make a new Java project and help you test out if your Eclipse is running without any errors. Click on File and New Java Project. I will name my project Test Project. Make sure the version of Java that you've installed is selected as the main execution environment JRE and then click Finish. If you see this warning pop up, rename your module with a lowercase letter and then click Create. If everything has worked as expected, this screen should show up. If you still see the welcome screen, make sure to exit it. This is your Java development environment. The middle box is where you will write your code and execute it. The bottom box is the compiler, which is the place where you will see your code run. We will get more into this later on in the course. Right-click on the source file and click New, and then click Class. Always name your class with a capital letter, and click the check mark to create the public static void method stub. By doing this, Eclipse will make the main method for you. I'll go over more about what the main method does later on. Then name your package and click Finish. You're now about to execute your first piece of code. Inside the two curly brackets of the main method where my cursor is located, type system.out.println exactly as I typed it, inside with the two parentheses and a semicolon. Inside the parentheses, write in quotations "Hello World" and then click the run icon and run your first piece of code. Click OK, and if Hello World pops up in the console, you have successfully become a new Java developer. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my Java development course.